Let's go, guys. It's Howto TV Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I've got this time round is I've got a Robin Reliant. Is that what it is? Robin Reliant. Come on, you haven't seen one of them in a long time, I bet you guys. Okay, Robin Reliant, and I'm gonna go ahead and change the headlight bulb. The headlight bulb replacement on the Robin Reliant 1993. That's it, old school. Well, I wouldn't say it's old school, but it is an old school car. Okay, one of the later ones of the Robin Reliant. Let's go, let's do it. Right, this is the car. Check it out. The Robin Reliant L-Reg 1993. We'll go ahead and replace the headlight bulb. Let's go. I'm in the UK and I'm going to go ahead and change the driver side one. It's exactly the same on both sides. Passenger side one, driver side one, exactly the same. If you've got a ramp, which I have got a ramp, but it's occupied at the moment, it'll be a lot easier, dead easy. But I'm going to do it on the floor. I'm going to go all the way underneath here. And if you go there, if you look at it there, boom, there it is. There's the headlight bulb. Well, it's not the headlight bulb, there's the headlight switch. We're going to go ahead and take that off, pull that off, and we'll go from there. Take that off, we'll take this cover off. There we go. Cover is off. And as you can see there, it's on a clip there. Can't really get it wrong. Let's take that clip off. Happy days, let's go. Okay, in order to take that clip off, it's not rocket science. What we do is we push it down, up. There we go. There's another clip there. Push it down and down on this one. And then the clip comes off, just like that. And then all we do is take the bulb out. Happy days. It's a H4 bulb, this one. 3-pin headlight bulb. H4. Let's go ahead and replace it. Okay guys, as you can see there, I've got the new bulb in there. I'm such a tight squeeze underneath this car, as you can see here. I don't know if you can see me. Hi guys. Okay, but underneath the car was such a tight squeeze. I'm in such a tight squeeze, so I had to put the bulb in first by hand. So put the bulb in, and all we do is the clips, dead easy. Clip that back on there, boom. The top one here comes down and on there. Happy days. Let's just get the plug on and we'll just test it, see if it works. Before I put the cover and everything on, I'm just going to put the plug on first and see what happens. Okay, there we go. Plug's on. Let's see if that works and we'll go from there. Okay guys, there we have it. Cover is back on. The cover's back on and the plug's back on. Dead easy. Headlights working. Happy days. Getting me out of this car, underneath this car now. Oh, let's go. That is it guys, that's how we replace the headlight bulb, okay, on a Robin Reliant 1993 L-Reg, okay. That's how we replace the headlight bulb. Dead easy. If you get it on the ramp, it's dead easy. If you jack it up, it's even easier. But you know me, go lean, go home is back, and I'm going to try to get underneath it. I'm only messing. Anyway guys, I hope that video helps you guys out. Whoever's got a Robin Reliant out there, if it doesn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Try my best. Howto TV, trying to hook you guys up. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Howto TV Team R4UL. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.